Man, what on earth am I doing? Alright, let's give credit where credit is due. I got my timer back. Time to start doing some just basic drills and getting used to using the timer again. I have abused the crap out of this thing, and I sent it in to Pact and they fixed this for $1 plus the shipping. I think that's pretty incredible, given how a lot of companies are nowadays with electronics especially. They didn't ask any questions. They just took it in and they replaced it and said what was wrong, and gave me a new one. Fix it for me and send it back. So I'm very happy with that. I'm glad to have it back, and I plan on getting back into doing some drills with it and using it for my videos from here on out. And let's get to it, I guess, today, and definitely give a shout out to Pact. If you all are looking for a timer, the Pact Club 3 timer or whatever, Club Timer 3 is, in my opinion, probably the best one out there you can get, and that's the one I'd be going with if you get a chance to. I know you all probably don't notice, but I definitely noticed. You know, it's raining again. Who'd have thunk that it would rain again here, seeing as how that's pretty much all I have on this property is rainy weather. Damn! That was fucking all 5 targets in one go. What are my splits? Not so fast. Right under 1 second splits. Damn, couldn't even grab the dang thing out of the holster. .13132 first shot, splits of 56. All right, let's do an up close target, and then so we got about a 7-yard target. Then we'll do a, double 15, 20-yard target, something like that. So it's not bad. It's less than the second split. Man, shooting right underneath that dang thing. Oh yeah, nice. That was a good one. Definitely got a consistent draw around that 1.3 to 1.5 seconds. So let's keep going. Dang, I can't believe I missed that sucker. I'm going to see if I flinch when that round doesn't go off. This thing's not locking back, so, which is kind of interesting, because what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to slow that frame down and see if I'm anticipating the shot, because obviously there wasn't a round in there, and most likely, like most people, you'll dip down a little bit on that shot. So I'll be able to take a look at that with the footage and actually see what I was doing there. I'm actually going to shoot a couple of these holes on this piece of paper that somehow is still here after all that rain. Oh man, being fast on the gun. Oh yeah, baby. So first one, cut the bottom. Second, obviously miss. Third one, straight up on there. Those are the 1-inch targets, which pretty much is about the size of the bullet hole. Oh man, pulled that one hard. I'm shooting all around that thing, but anywhere where it needs to be. That time I locked back. Oh, I'm on my last mag. Nice. We're gonna shoot a little bit further targets back. We're gonna go for the farthest one. Oh! Golly, shooting all around the damn thing. Let's do that in reverse. And we're out of ammo. Guess that's the end of that.